Pretty close to
Colin, you having fun?
No. Yes, you are. You got a big old grin on your face about half the time. Yeah.
Come on down, Colin. I might take a picture here in a minute. What do you think of this hill, Colin?
Pain in the royal butt.
Why? You look like Sasquatch. You're not going to do the butt scoot again?
Here.
What's all over the back of your pants? Okay, you're all done. Wasn't that nice?
No.
Well, Colin, are you glad we're not lost anymore?
Alright.
Well, we were lost. Well, we weren't really lost, we were just turned around.
Yeah, because you got your chase after the freaking damn elk.
What did you think of those elk?
It was worth the trouble, wasn't it?
No.
It was quite pretty easy walk we went on, right?
No.
We're about halfway to the truck, halfway done.
Bull crap.
You like this though, don't you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What do you mean sometimes?
I just wasn't expecting this big, huge, long journey.
Journey.
Well, you think we took you halfway across the state?
Sure feels like it.
Sure feels like it. Oh. Alright. Hey, wake up! What kind of elk hunter are you? What the heck? Wake up! Get up, Colin. Hey! What the heck are you doing sleeping?
I was thinking you're going to sleep the time, so I'm not. I can take a nap.
Your nap.